Kimera kia mbura ya muiyuro gikirigiriro gukinya muico muthiaini wa mweri uyu wa gatano. Rubonge rurathi wa riera rugite mbura ino ni itenyete icigo-ini nyingi cia bururi na gucungiriria mai gucoka na thi. Minista wa thirikari cia matura Eugene Wamalwa oritie muingi uria wikaraga ndere-ini cia njui mathie na mbere na kwiboga.
From now going forward, the rains are subsiding. When you look at the water levels of all our dams, and I spoke to CS Keter this morning, he says our dams are still full, but they have now stabilized.
Gukiri uguo namba ya andu aria makwite kumana na muiyuro wa mbura iria ikoretwo ikiura ni ongererekete nginya 285. Thirikari ikiuga ikuthie na mbere kunyitirira bamiri iria ibutitio ni muiyuro uyu.
Though the rains will be subsiding in northern Kenya, parts of eastern, we will still be having rains going into June in the western part of the country, Nyanza, the Lake Basin region. Also at the coast, we will be still experiencing rains and parts of Rift Valley. So let us stay alert. Let us keep responding to the alerts that we have been given.
Ona gutwika mai ndemu-ini na njui-ini nyingi ni mabwite, muingi ni uritio kwirigirira kimera kia mbebo ibinda ria mieri 3 yukite.
Over the central region is that June, July, August tends to be a cold season, and so it comes with its own challenges.
Kwirago kwigita ni kwega gukira kubonia ndumiriri ya thirikari iria andu aria mang'ethagirwo ni muiyuro o undu umwe na matwika mathie na mbere na kwimenyerera. Ona gutwika mbura ni itenyete miena mingi ya bururi, namba ya andu aria marakuire kumana na muiyuro ni ongererekete, muingi ukiurio wibaririe ni undu wa kimera kia mbebo kiria gikiirie kuingira. Ngeribotera Inooro TV ndi wabici-ini nene cia urathi wa riera kaunti-ini ya Nairobi, njitagwo Masi wa Ndia wa Mũrĩithi.